Whatever, I'm not racist, I'll have any color day.
Okay, perfecto.
What up, people? This is Bunjo. There's a protest going behind. That's the type of stuff that happens in Argentina almost every day. But today's video is going to be about a food blog. We got an Argentine shawarma, Argentine American pizza, and this naughty treat that'll make you semen in your pants. And that one's going to be at the end. So it's a very special treat, and it's a big huge thing here. So let's get into it, and subscribe to Thisisbunjo. Remember that. Click like and subscribe, baby. What up, people? Thisisbunjo. Today me and Mickey, we ordered out. She's gonna try shawarma for the first time. I don't think she ever tried shawarma, like real shawarma. Hopefully this is real shawarma. But here's what it looks like. Here, let me get this out. This is what it looks like, which is, of course, it's from Argentina, so you guys gotta remember, you usually get empanadas with things.
Okay.
Yes, it's crazy.
Good.
But look at this. Look at these beauties. So you get 2 empanadas with the order. I think it comes gratis. Huh? And that's what they look like. Look at these beauties. Jeez, and those are big ass empanadas, aren't they? And we're gonna try this while Mickey's breastfeeding. So first off, it's like real steak. And shawarmas back home, they use like some sort of processed meat or something. But this is real deal. Look at this. They even have garlic sauce, and I asked Mickey when she ordered it. I asked them if they have garlic sauce, and she's like, "What?" She looked at me like I was crazy. But let's take a bite in this.
Okay, yeah, so.
Tomatoes. Fuck you, tomatoes. This is good.
It's good?
Wow, look at this. Look how much meat there is. And the thing is, it's not just meat, regular beef, it's really good beef. It's not shitty beef. Man. This is good. Oh man. I'm so happy. And these are probably like, oh man, look at this. Damn. Damn! This is my new favorite place. You want to try yours? You want to try this one?
Yes.
How's your boob? How's your damn boob? The tube's coming. No. What do you think of that? Tell the camera what you think of that.
Oh, something weird. Like peanut butter?
Peanut butter? What? You're a bad food critic. Peanut butter?
Yeah. That is a real shawarma. I like better than the in Croatia. I like better in Croatia.
Those weren't shawarmas.
Ah, what is that? What is that? What are they?
What?
What are them?
They're gyros. They're kebabs.
Kebabs. I like
This is
more
different.
kebabs.
This is good.
Okay.
She thinks there's peanut butter in this, but there's no peanut butter.
Can I have empanadas?
Next, yeah, I guess you can try the empanadas. It's a good one.
The dough is hard.
Hard dough.
I think it's a little bit spicy.
And it's gonna hurt your culo, eh? Culita.
Mi culito. Yes.
How is it though?
But the
Good?
meat is good.
Is it soft, the meat?
Yes.
Yeah. That's a good thing about this shawarma too. The meat is soft. Next, we got a pizza coming from what place? Blum Beer.
Blum Beer and Pizza.
Blum Beer and Nueva Cordova, right? And they say it's pepperoni. Now, one thing about Argentina, to get pepperoni pizza is very difficult. They don't do that kind of. It's like Croatia. To get pepperoni pizza, they look at you like you're a weirdo. So we're gonna see. These guys say they have American style pepperoni pizza, and we're gonna try it out. Cause Mickey wasn't too sure about the shawarma, so we got shawarmas pizza. And today we got this place too, also. But we already ate it. We didn't film it. But Mickey's gonna take you down and take you downtown. No, I'm joking. She's gonna bring the camera with her to show what the delivery drivers look like. They're on mopeds or scooters or motorcycles or bicycles sometimes. I know in Canada they usually always have cars. You never deliver with a bicycle. I don't know, maybe now because everybody's trying to be fit. But here I think they all have the bicycles and the motorcycles because it's cheaper than having a car, I think, right?
Yeah, and you can go faster for sure.
Yeah. And you can go in and out, yeah. But yeah, I think New York actually has bicycles too. But we're gonna try the pizza. Pizza up next. Got up, we're going to get the pizza now. The pepperoni style pizza. I'm in the elevator, look at me. Whoa, trippy. Let's get it. Damn. So this is it, the pizza. And you see them, they have a cool little motorcycle. They double ride here. He had a little buddy out there with his helmet on too, a little cutie. But this is the Bloom Pizza, and we're ready for action. Let's go up and try this, baby. So at Bloom Pizza, they deliver beer and pizza, which we're not used to in Canada. I think they might be introducing that now, I'm not sure. But this pizza costs 1,000 pesos, which is just for a pizza. It's kind of pricey here. It's I would say it's about $8. But let's see what it looks like. And look at this beauty though. Now that looks like a dang pizza with some dang real pepperoni. Look at this, huh? You gonna try this, baby?
Ooh, yes.
It's not cut though.
Oh fuck.
Yeah, so we have to cut it ourselves like we're monkeys, but yeah, this is our second order a little bit. But I mean, altogether, the other ones cost 900 pesos for the 2 empanadas and the 2 shawarmas. 900 pesos, which is probably more food than this pizza. So I'd say the empanada, and there's real steak and everything. It was really good. Mickey, what would you rate the empanadas out of 10?
6.
6.
For sure, yes.
6 empanadas. 6 empanadas. That's not very good. Who has the best empanadas? That Juanita place?
Yeah, I like them.
Yeah, they're the best. But here, you want to try this? Here, I'll try to cut it up. There's a slice with the pepperonis. It's going. Yum. How is it?
Oh, good.
It's pretty good?
Yes.
You give it a thumbs up? Yeah, if you're wondering where we are, we're in a new apartment, a different apartment. We had to come back to the capital for a bit. But we're going back to Carlos Paz. So taste the bite with the pepperonis now. Was it good pizza?
It's glossy, huh?
It's what?
Oily.
What did you call it first?
Glossy. I don't know what is glossy.
It's almost a word, huh?
Almost.
Gross means like terrible, but it's very salty, the pepperoni, huh? That's what she said.
This is good. I like
It's
it.
good.
Uh-huh.
It's very good. She likes the salty pepperoni. I'm joking. But here, let me try it. I'm just gonna have a... Here, let me try it. I'm just gonna have a little sliver of this. Look at this, little sliver. That's a good pie. That's a good pie, huh? Damn. I dig it. The dough is different than what they're... She's actually meaner than me. If you guys think she's nicer than me. But she's like this. No, that's shit. When she walks by like handmade stuff, no, that looks stupid. And me, I'm like, oh, whoa. She's more crazier than me. But yeah. Cheers. We're gonna finish this pizza and go to sleep. We got a busy day tomorrow. Well, what we do have is penis-shaped ice creams. Are you excited?
Oh my god, yes. I want to try them.
Yeah. She loves the penis ice creams. Is it new here? What's the place called?
Yes, it's new, and I don't remember the name. But it's something with penis.
Yeah, penises.
Penises.
And it even has semen like all over it, eh? Yeah, it's crazy. It's like penis with semen on it. It's cool. So that's what we're doing today. So the sign, I don't know how to say it in Spanish, but it means...
Oh, vergotas. Vergotas is a very big penis.
Very
Verga.
big penis.
Yes, verga,
Yeah.
vergota.
And
Yes.
it says, and it's called "Don't Be Ashamed" in English.
Yeah.
Don't be
I think the
ashamed.
name is vergotas.
Yeah.
Because it says vergotas.cba,
Yeah.
for the Córdoba.
Yeah.
But this is like a version.
Oh, so que no
Que no
se
te
apene.
Pene is penis.
Yes.
So that's it.
Here, I'll let you record it. Eh? We'll get it. Let's go. I guess I'll get one. Eh? I can't wait to put this throbbing cream stick in my mouth.
Okay, let's go. So there you can see. Ah, I know. Hola, ¿qué tal? Permiso. I think it's not ice cream. It's like
Chocolate or something.
no, but it looks like cake,
Yeah.
but with the shape of the penis. Oh, look at this.
I'll get a blue dick.
You want a blue dick?
Yes. Or maybe the black one. I don't know.
Hola, ¿cómo te va? ¿De qué es? ¿Qué es eso?
Waffle.
Un waffle. Ah,
Yeah.
perfecto.
Yeah, two, whatever. Go ahead.
Perfecto. ¿Y las salsas de qué son?
¿Tu cuál es negro amargo?
You want the pink dick?
¿Al verde? ¿Chocolate rosa? ¿Chocolate blanco?
They're all chocolates.
They're all chocolates?
Yeah.
Different chocolate? I don't care. Whatever. I'm not racist. I'll have any color dick.
Ok, perfecto. Y después, o sea, puedes elegir los toppings, digamos.
Polvoreado.
Perfecto. Un espolvoreado. Buenísimo.
No te miento lo que vos me dijiste.
No, look, it's not. It's not expensive. Okay. What do you want?
I don't care. Doesn't matter. Just surprise me.
Okay.
Oh,
We can have two, ¿ah?
Yeah.
Vamos a llevarte dos.
Chew dick.
Dicks, yes.
2 dicks, please.
Perfecto.
It doesn't.
You can choose if you want to have something inside.
Yes.
¿Se puede? No.
You can choose one.
One?
Only one.
Only one.
I will have a Kit Kat. Para
Yeah.
mí, Kit Kat.
You have Kit Kat.
Kit Kat dick. Mm.
Oh, look.
Yeah.
It's good, huh?
Yes. What do you just fill the dick?
Yeah.
And then it oozes into your mouth.
Yes.
That's
Recién abren ustedes, ¿no?
Yo te abrí el 9 de julio.
¿El 9 de julio?
Ese ya te abrí.
Ah, aniversario. 9 of July was the first day they opened.
Oh, is that
But
the
he
Argentina's
says,
day?
I open you, he says.
On Argentina's day? Or?
Yes. Sí, fue el día de la independencia argentina.
¿En dónde te gustaría que la mojen?
Ah, he's saying he has to say something
Huh.
sexist.
Oh, yeah. He has to. That's the
He
kid.
says,
Do you like a black chocolate?
Oh, fill it up. The blacker the better.
That's
For you?
yes.
Oh, shit.
Muy golosa.
I want pink. This one, pink.
Pink?
Yes.
I'll have a blue one, a Smurf one. Smurf dick.
You want a
What do you
blue?
call them? The little Smurfs?
I-
In Spanish? The
look at
little
that,
blue
baby.
people. Let's see this.
Do you want a little?
A
A
little.
little or a lot? Oh, dip it, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, there it is.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
It's deep, huh?
Yes, kilo.
Do you want a white chocolate like this?
Yes. Oh, you have to. You have to. It's juicy. Encitos crack.
Sí, bebé. Sí, mi amor.
Don't eat it in front of the baby.
It's my car.
It's an art, huh? Oh, yeah. Perfecto.
Do you want a topping?
Yes.
What do you?
What do you want? Do you want
Cubanito de
a
chocolate.
red cocoa?
That's cocoa.
That's cocoa?
Cubanito de
Cocoa all day, huh?
Rhodesia, Oreo,
Oreo?
multicolor.
Multicolor.
Okay, multicolor. You like the place, is that?
The rain.
Hey! Be nice.
Be soft with me.
Oh.
Perfecto.
How's Enzo?
Another one like that?
Yeah. Well, just blue, I guess.
Or another.
I don't. I'll have the dulce de leche one.
Bien Argentina.
The Argentina one.
You have money there?
Eh?
You have money there?
No, I don't know. You have money
I
then.
will put you in two sides.
Yeah, that's it. That's all it's done, huh?
Here's the song.
Oh, shit. It's making love now. Oh, very messy.
So sweet.
The sweet stick.
The chocolate. What do you want the chocolate?
The blue.
What chocolate do you prefer?
The Smurf.
Like
Yeah, light blue. Argentina. All the way.
do you prefer something like this?
Yeah, we'll try a little
Or
bit of
it's the
that.
same?
It's the same, yeah. Oh, the dark one. Zoop! And I'll try some cocoa.
Nice day.
Nice day. It's a nice day.
The topping.
Just cocoa, yeah.
Do you prefer cocoa, Oreo, multicolor, Rhodesia,
Cocoa.
cocoa?
Yeet.
Nice.
Nice. Yeah, the place is a pretty good experience. The guy's very nice that works there or owns it. Pretty sure he owns it, eh?
Yes.
And he says the whole gimmick is everything has to be sexual. Everything they say. So they're breaking all the sensitivity of society nowadays. Usually you can't say those kind of jokes.
No.
But he's like, you know what? It's just a joke, yeah?
Yeah.
So it's pretty good.
And he speaks English.
Yeah, he speaks English. And it's pretty fun, huh?
Yes, it is.
And now we're gonna enjoy our dicks in the park, maybe.
No, at home.
Oh, you want to do
Baby.
a baby? Not
Yeah,
in,
go.
rule number one, not in public.
Not in public. Okay.
But are you sure you don't want to have it in public?
Yes, I'm sure.
I want to deep throat that baby.
No, you say you were shy.
Yeah, I was shy in the restaurant in front of boys.
Oh my god. Ah, because he's gay, that's why you are.
Hey, no, he's not gay. Is he?
I don't know. You're gay, brother? Hopefully.
I don't know, but... Ooh. Oh, big throbbers, huh? Here, baby. Here's your rainbow pink cock.
Thank you.
You want to try it?
Yes.
Here, baby. Here, baby. Cuckoo. No, I'm joking. Look at this. Is it a two? That's a two-fister, eh?
Wait, Titi.
No, wait. Let's go. Here this is. They got the blue on the blue steel with the old black sperm hanging off it. I guess it's a two-fister, yeah. I'm gonna try it. I've had better.
You had better dicks?
For sure. No, it's not bad. And it tastes good too. The filling is what gets me. I love the filling. Oh. Suck that baby out. Probably the sweetest sperm I ever had. I mean, what? Very good. I'm gonna kill the rest of this cock. And that's it. And that's the end of the video, I guess.
Este es el Joe de Joe, este no es tu Joe. Cambia que hubo por el asado. Este es el Joe de Joe. ¡Wow!